Welcome back to Train Sim World, and today we are at the route that I will be discussing, the icy route Koln, Aachen. Anyways, I'm supposed to be meeting a train, but that's not important. What's important is we're going to be talking about the DBBR 187. When I first saw this locomotive, it easily became one of my favorites. It looks sleek, beautiful, and very nice. Here comes my train right now. What track is it going to be on? I have no idea. But plane flying overhead. What's going on here at the station? It'll be a lot more busy once the preserve collection comes in. I wish I could record this video later while I'm reviewing the BR187. The ACS64 is my favorite Euro Sprinter, but this is easily my second. I love it, and yeah, we're gonna be talking about some wishes on how I want to see it and how it's going to play out. So, basically, to start off with, it's going to be on this route, the Koln with the IC3 and the BR442 Town 2 electric multiple unit and DB regional livery. Anyways, a train stopping right on my platform, and it's coming behind me. Oh. Anyways, now that the train's here, I can be talking about my wishes. So, I would like it to be like the BR143. So the 187 is mainly a freight locomotive, yet it does sometimes do passenger, apparently. I don't know, that's what I saw. I saw a picture of it, so I'm seeing some stuff on it. It seems legit, so we're just gonna. So, anyways, we're on the train, heading to Aachen, but we won't have time to record the full way. And you know what? I'm gonna sit here. It'll be easier seat. You know what? Window seat. First class window seat. So, I'm thinking that it'll be like the BR143. In scenarios, it'll be used for freight, but it'll have a few timetables. It'll have a few timetables for passenger as well. It can replace some services with the 146, the 143, and the upcoming 101 for the Koln route as well. Yeah. Any liveries? Well, obviously we can recreate them ourselves, but we got several liveries. Could we possibly incorporate this? Yes, that would be a great idea. And I'm trying to think of other things to say, but basically that's what I want to mention. There should definitely be the option for freight and passenger, but the scenario should be freight. Why, you may ask? Well, this route typically doesn't have freight on it yet. So it would be nice if we can get some proper freight instead of just a kind of freight cars like in an upstart line or real freight, like switching moves, going to different locations, not just from yard to yard and calling that a freight run, like better freight. I still give credit to Dovetail Games for doing that with our routes, but we need better freight, like in Ragnarok, I don't know, the BR 185.5. Or, I don't know, or any, almost like main Spitzer Pond. That works. It has good freight there, even some switching opportunities. And another thing, this is just our route in general. I would like to see all German locomotives preserve collection not, so we'll get like the 363 shunter and the 101. The shunting 363 is for Racing North, but the 101 is for us route. We can have as many locomotives as possible, and this can be the most populated route in the game. That's what everyone would want. Lots of traffic and diversity. Something that lacks in some routes that Dovetail Games has the opportunity to put in. Routes like these have lots of diversity. And the 187 can do both passenger and freight to furthermore enhance it. Well, that's all I have to say. Thank you for watching this video, and please subscribe. Only a tiny fraction of viewers are actually subscribed, so please subscribe. I'll see you later.